Hello there, my name is Yakub Mahmoud. I'm a business analyst, and today I'll be talking about the Agile methodology. So today we're just going to do a very quick holistic view as to what the Agile methodology is. So what's a methodology? It's a system, it's a process, it's an approach, or a system of methods used in a particular study area to achieve an end product. What's Agile? Agile is an approach to project management designed for software development teams to respond to quick, unpredictable software development requirements. It handles this using incremental iterations known as sprints. Okay, and what's a sprint? A short burst of value-driven work that usually lasts between 2 to 4 weeks. It's designed to reduce risk while providing value quickly. Now, what we do with the process that I've just explained to you, now we know what an Agile is. It's a short burst of 2 to 4 weeks of workload being developed, and it's usually iteration, meaning that you build something, then at the end of your 3 to 4 weeks you build upon it, and then afterwards you build upon it, and then you build upon it, and then at the very end you have your end product. Now you have to also divide your team appropriately so you can cover the full scope of it. Okay, how does that look like? Very nice and very easy. You have the Scrum team. You have the stakeholders over here. They're the customers or clients. They can be the end user, which means they can be the customers. So if you are drinking Dr. Pepper, it could be us, the consumers, the humans, the customers, the people who are buying it, or it could be internal staff as well. Okay, staff. And these internal staff could be, let's say, if you're building a management system for paychecks, those people who'll be using the paychecks, the HR people, will be your clients. Okay, then you have the product owner. This product owner works for the company always. These can be external to the company, but product owner will be internal to the company. He's the person who liaisons or communicates with both the Scrum team and the product owner. He would be the person who has the most overview of what's going on. Okay, he has the holistic and the vision of what's being built. We have the Scrum Master. He is the person who communicates with product owner, but also communicates with all external people whose work will influence the team as a whole. So this will be a manager here, another manager here. Now, if this manager is in charge of this person here, and he needs something to be done, he would communicate with the Scrum Master. The Scrum Master will then, based on this information, his job would be to start prioritizing which work needs to be done. Now note one thing, Scrum Master is not the manager of anyone. He's just a facilitator for the team. Okay, he just makes sure that the machine is running very smoothly. Then we have the Scrum team, and they're the ones who actually develop what's going on. Okay, now note, all of these people here, in most companies, are part of the development team. They will be developing something. Some organizations, Scrum Master would be its own role, and his job won't be to actually code or BA or QA. His job is just to be a Scrum Master. I say just, it's a very complex role. Now, normally we have developers in a team. We have a QA, and then we have a BA. Okay, each one plays a very important role. I will make a separate video as to each role, what they do, and how to excel in each of them. I am currently here as a BA. I have also been a dev at one point, and I have done a bit of QA work in the past as well. So I have the full scope of it, and I've done a lot of training and done few, let's say, sprints on my own where I've been the Scrum Master. So I have a understanding what's going on here. So I feel like I'm quite qualified to speak about it. So I'll make a separate video on that, hopefully cover it. And of course, if there's anyone who's done this role and want to add more value to my video, please just put up in the comments below. Okay, so the essential of Agile, let's say. We have a planning of meetings. This is what we talk about, what we're going to be doing as a team, what we prioritized, and what is going to be done at the end of the 2 to 4 weeks period. Daily stand-up is normally 10 minutes of what we talk about, what we've done, and what we're going to do. So if it's a Tuesday, we talk about what we've done on a Monday, and we talk about what we're going to do on the Tuesday. Okay? Then we have the demo at the end of the development. Once we've done the 2 to 3 weeks, we then show this to all our stakeholders. They all come along, and anyone who's interested in it and anyone who's of value to our team and who will be using our product will then come along for the demo where we showcase what we've developed. Once we've completed this, we've talked about the retrospective, and that basically means the pros, cons of the team is discussed, normally led by the Scrum Master with the Scrum team, and they just talk about what's good, what's bad, and how they can improve for future. This information would hopefully then influence the planning meetings, and it will influence how the team then does work and how this mission can become a lot more smoother. So Agile, it's a good approach, but it does have some criticism. It's a lot more developer centric. It's a lot more developers choose, or the team who fixes stuff, they're the ones who have more power. They're a lot more autonomous. It's good, but from an organization point of view, it could be a little bit sloppy. It focuses a lot more on development rather than actual specifications, and writing a lot more, let's say, encyclopedias, which is good for getting stuff done quickly, but it's bad for documenting things in the long run. And it could be quite inefficient for a large organization with certain types of projects, like government projects who wants to build a missile and the requirements are crystal clear to begin with. The need for an agile team where scope creeps can pop up decreases. Benefits of it, it's more flexible, the requirement changes, a lot more face-to-face communication. It prioritizes interaction with people rather than tools and process. All stakeholders interact closer. Customer satisfaction is seen a lot more rapid because 2 to 4 week period, the customer have their end part incrementally being delivered to them, making them more happier a lot more quicker. Okay, so that's a quick introduction to Agile. If there's any feedback you have for me, I am new to YouTube. Let me know in the comment section below. If there's any topic you'd like me to cover, let me know. I do intend on talking about the role of a BA and how to excel in it. In my next video, let me know if you're interested in it. Let me know if you would like me to cover something else. Like, subscribe, I'd like to see you soon. Bye.